So how much does YouTube pay for the videos I put up? How much do they pay the YouTube creators? You know, we're a content creator. Pretty cool. And it's become another hobby of mine. So the name of the channel is YouTube Pays My Mortgage. So how much money does YouTube pay for the videos I put up? Well, right now, zero. But they will start paying. And they can start paying as fast as 30 days from now. But you need to meet a certain criteria before you can sign up to start receiving payments. You must have 1,000 subscribers and you must have 400 hours of watch time. I've passed up the 400 hours by a lot, thanks to you guys, but the subscriber count is down. Somebody sent me a message and said that they have subscribed to both of my channels, the main channel, which is Griffin RC Planes, like radio controlled airplanes, and then this channel, YouTube Pays My Mortgage. And they've been subscribed to both of them. Then they came back and checked and they were unsubscribed. So I did a little digging and I changed the setting on my bot scanning. So occasionally it will scan the subscribers, and if they think you're a robot, it will delete you. That's what I learned. There might be some other stuff that I haven't figured out yet, but so far I've changed that setting to make it not as strong. So maybe if you're like a brand new YouTube account holder and you created the account maybe just to subscribe to my channel or somebody else's, maybe it thinks you're a robot, or I don't know, there's some way it thought that. So anyways, hey, thanks robots. So I've changed it, so make sure that you're still subscribed. And once I get to 1,000 subscribers, I will start off every video telling you how much money YouTube has paid me, you know, from that moment backwards. It'll be fun for all of us. Maybe you're wanting to get into YouTube and you're curious, how much does it pay? Well, here's a brand new channel for you to see what it actually pays. You know, they could really quite easily pay my whole mortgage, or they could quite easily maybe buy one light bulb that month. So it all depends. But right now I need subscribers. So make sure that you're subscribed, still subscribed. Subscribe if you haven't. Let me give you a little tour of what I have done since the last video. So here we go. So we installed our French door 2 weeks ago. The first one I've ever installed, and actually quite proud of it. Look at this. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is a big thing that you want to pay attention to when you're installing them, is that you want to make sure that the doors are even straight across right there, and you want to make sure that the gap all the way down is the same. That's one of the key features. Right now, the top of the door is, you know, just basically sitting there. It's not fastened to anything up top, but the sides and the bottom are completely mounted like they should. And on the outside, I have filled up the cracks on both sides with the foam, added some wood to the top, and I'm getting ready to clean all that up and finish putting on the trim and the vapor barrier and all that. All right, so I've done some more work in the upstairs bathroom. That's what I'm going to do right now, is finish it, at least finish the woodwork, I mean. So like everything in this house, completely rotted out. Everything is rotted, rotted, rotted. And that comes from built in 1972, something like that. And the person I bought this from was the original owner. So there hasn't been like change of hands for reasons to do, you know, a lot of maintenance. And the previous owner was very clear saying that they did not do much maintenance at all. So the plumbers came in and removed all the cast iron pipes and replaced it with PVC. And when they lifted the toilet, it exposed rotten wood, rotten wood. So I've cut all the rot out, and then I kind of built it back like a deck structure. I especially made it really strong around the commode pipe. And I'm going to put the rest of the 1/2-inch plywood down right there. And then on top of that, would either go your beginnings of starting to do a tile floor, or what I'm going to do is put down 3/4 inch OSB subflooring, and then I'm going to sand it a little bit, and then I'm going to put down sheet vinyl. I need to put insulation in the walls. I've got some little brackets, little clippy things to hook all the plumbing pipes up, and I've got the foam insulation to go around them. I'm gonna get all that done in the next couple hours. All right, let's do a little bathroom floor update. So I got the first layer of the floor in. I still have to put the subfloor on top of all this. But now I'm gonna secure these pipes to the wall. I got a couple measurements. I'm gonna cut some boards and then, secure these, and then put the fireboard in, then the drywall insulation before that. So I'll give you guys a little shot halfway through the process. All right, I know it's overkill, but that's just how I am. So I didn't want these pipes loose. So I built up just a couple little blocks and put a strap on it. Another one up there. Oops, you guys okay? Couple down there, couple there, couple there, and there, and there. So now all the pipes are pretty much solid. I am gonna put another one under this right here. I got a little one cut to go on the bottom there, that little plumber strap. I don't like it. And then I squared off the drywall, getting ready to pull the nails, and should have some sheetrock on it here pretty soon. Oh, I got 2 boards to go up here, kind of like that one. That one's not nailed in yet. That way it'll give me something to scab off of. All right, so what I've done in the upstairs bathroom this afternoon is finish the first layer of the floor. Still got the subfloor to go on top of all that. Secured all the pipes. Insulated. I put foam around the pipes for more insulation. Got all that stapled in. Got some 2x4s around the edges, scabbed in where I can screw the new drywall to. So this wall is ready for fireboard and then drywall. And then the floor is ready for the subfloor to go on top of it. If you were doing tile, now's when you would put your backer board down and stuff like that and to do your tile. But I'm just going to do sheet vinyl. All right, well, hey, Merry Christmas Eve. It's Saturday. So I thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed, like, comment, share it with your friends. That's the best way to support me. Once we get to 1,000, then I can automatically start to receive payments. And I'll tell you guys at the beginning of every video how much I've made up until the beginning of me making that video. It could be, some people are making, $500,000 a month. Some people are making $5 a month. It just all depends. So it depends on viewers, depends on likes and shares and blah, 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 blah. Merry Christmas Eve. Until next time, you'll see me here.